In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your payment method on Doordash. If you've ever found yourself needing to switch your payment option while ordering your favorite takeout, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and make this process as seamless as possible. First, you'll want to head over to DoorDash's website. You can easily do this by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to DoorDash.com, where you'll find a wide array of food, grocery, and retail delivery options available for your convenience. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to sign into your account if you haven't already. It's always a good idea to ensure you're logged in so you can have access to your existing cart and payment information. Next, it's time to choose the product you'd like to order, whether it's a fresh hot meal, groceries, or retail items. DoorDash offers a variety of products to select from. Once you've decided on what you'd like, go ahead and click on the product to view more details and confirm it's exactly what you're after. After you've made your selection, you'll want to add it to your cart. You can do this simply by clicking the Add to Cart button. You might need to specify the quantity you desire, so make sure to adjust this according to your needs. It's a straightforward process, and you can always change the amount later if necessary. Once your items are selected and added to your cart, you'll notice a red cart icon, often located near the top corner of your screen. Click on that icon to view your cart and ensure all the items and quantities are correct. This step is crucial for making sure everything is right before proceeding to checkout. Now, it's time to hit the Continue button. This will lead you closer to the checkout phase, where you'll finalize your payment and delivery details. Moving forward, you're one step from completing your order, so hold tight and keep following along. Here's where the main part of our tutorial comes into play: changing your payment method. On the checkout page, you'll find an option to update the payment method associated with your order. Locate the payment section, click on it, and you'll see options for adding a new card, using an existing card, or selecting another payment method. Choose the one that's right for you, ensuring that your payment details are current and accurate. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change your payment method on DoorDash. With your payment method updated, you're ready to place your order and look forward to your delivery arriving at your doorstep. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Until next time, happy ordering.